Kitchen 101. Having the right tool for the job is important. This includes selecting the right knife in the kitchen. There are so many different options. Which one do you choose? Most jobs in the kitchen can be completed with 4 basic knives: a chef's knife, paring, butcher, and serrated knives. The chef knife is the workhorse of the kitchen. You will use this knife to chop, slice, or mince anything from fruits and vegetables to herbs and meats. Properly holding a chef knife can take a little getting used to, but doing so will make prepping food faster and easier. Grip the knife with your thumb and index finger on the blade, where it attaches to the handle. Wrap the other 3 fingers loosely around the handle. Now you're ready to cut. A paring knife has a small blade. It works well for things like peeling and trimming or testing vegetables for doneness. The hand grip can vary slightly depending on the job, but most often the handle will be held with 4 fingers while the thumb is used as a guide either on the blade or on the food. A serrated knife has teeth that help grip softer foods, making them easier to cut. Think of foods like bread or tomatoes. Use a hand grip similar to a chef knife, with your thumb and index finger on the base of the blade and remaining fingers wrapped around the handle. To slice with a serrated knife, use a sawing motion, pulling the blade back and pushing forward in long strokes as you move down through the food. It is important to keep your tools in good condition, and for knives, this means a sharp blade. Invest in a quality knife sharpening tool or find a local knife sharpening service to keep your knives ready.